Hi, my name is Simon Barrett. I'm here to introduce a range of metal cutting snips from Silverline tools. So within the range we've got two different types of snips. We've got the standard sheet metal shears that you see here. They're heavy duty, cold forged blades. We have a double dipped ergonomic handle here for grip and cushioning. There's also an anti-pinch feature here fitted between the handles to prevent your hand or glove being trapped whilst making the cut. The aviation set of shears are sold in two pack configurations, either as singles or in a 3-value pack. The 3-value pack contains a left, a right and a straight set of shears. Whether they're individual or as a pack, they're all designed and manufactured in the same way. Cold formed steel blades form the cutting part of the tool. An injection molded handle here for extra ergonomics and grip. They also have a lanyard line holder here, so you can attach these to a lanyard if you're working above ground or on a ladder and you don't want the risk of dropping them. The left and right have a curved blade for that direction of cut, whereas the straight has two straights.